Chapter: Delhi. Delhi is one of the most important metropolitan cities of our country. Delhi is the capital of India. The official name of Delhi is the National Capital Territory Delhi. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other three sides. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Delhi includes two cities, New Delhi and Old Delhi. History: it is believed that Delhi was first built by the Pandavas as Indraprastha. Thousands of years later, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan rebuilt it and called it Shah Jahanabad. The British government shifted the capital from Calcutta, Kolkata, to Delhi in 1911. Government of India and Delhi: all the main offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has one of the most beautiful gardens called the Mughal Gardens. The Prime Minister's office is in the South Block. Other ministers and the departments of the government work from the buildings around the South Block. The sessions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. The government of other countries also have offices in Delhi known as High Commissions and embassies. Tourist attractions: Delhi is a famous tourist place. It has many ancient monuments. The Red Fort and Jama Masjid, made of red sandstone, were built by Shah Jahan. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort on 15th August every year. The Qutub Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. Iron pillars near it has not rusted since it was built. Other interesting places to visit in Delhi are Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Nehru's Planetarium, Dolls Museum, Zoo, Rajghat, Shanti Van, and Delhi Haat. People pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, at his Samadhi in Rajghat. Shanti Van is the Samadhi of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. The Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate burns all the time in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country. There are many famous worship places for all religions in Delhi. Some of them are Akshardham Temple, Birla Temple, Lotus Temple, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, and St. James Church. Delhi has broad roads, luxurious hotels, flyovers, modern sports complexes and shopping malls. The city is well connected by air, road and rail to the rest of the country. Climate: Delhi has an extreme climate. It is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Hot and dry winds, called Lu, blow in the months of May and June. It receives rains mostly between July and September. Clothes: people from all states of India live in Delhi. One can find people wearing different kinds of dresses. Most men in Delhi wear trousers and shirts. Most women wear saris or salwar kameezes. Women and girls can also be seen wearing trousers and skirts. People speak different languages and celebrate different festivals. It is like a mini India.